Okay, so I'm going to be doing the hike to Democrat Dam, which is 4 miles one way. And it's really nice trail conditions right now. It's quite cool. I think they said it's in the 40s. Well, I actually see snow up there too. That's interesting. And it's supposed to be like a high 59. A little chance of rain, but I kind of doubt it'll get rained out. But hey, I'm ready just in case. And so I haven't done this trail before, so I'm looking forward to doing it. And the river is just raging right now. So, alright, let's get to it. I'm actually surprised. I'm seeing flowers. They must be late season flowers or something. But there's a bunch of them. I'm really surprised. Found a little creek running down below here. Amidst all those trees. I mean, definitely cows come here. I can see all sorts of poop. And it's a nice little shelter spot, that's for sure. Very nicely sheltered. Trail is right up here. So I see a trail down there, and I'm almost certain that it's from the Patchcorn Trail where you can do the loop. But I'm not certain, but I'm pretty certain. But this trail is going further down the river. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going past that spot. My legs are getting soaked, and so are my boots, although the water hasn't gone through the boots yet. And that's because of all this grass and stuff. It is so heavy with dew. It's just soaking into my pants as I go by because I'm brushing it. I can't help but brush it. So I came across this trail sign, which I didn't expect, honestly. And it says De La Nega, 4 miles that way. And I don't know if that means the trailhead or what. And Democrat Dam is 1 mile. Now I started hiking at about 8:10. It's now 9:42. So I could have gone 4 miles already. But I did come to go to Democrat Dam. So I'm gonna keep heading on. So I don't know if this is, I'll have to see if I can look up De La Nega, see what the heck that is. And the other signs just say trail, so, but that was kind of unexpected. Okay, so I'm back at the trail sign. I went to go up that trail, and I went up it a ways, but it was heading up and away from the river, and so I ended up stopping and heading back, and I was like, it's a dam, it should be by the river, right? You know, there couldn't possibly be another lake up here. Surely I would have known about it, heard people talk about it, something. And then I realized, oh yeah, the sign said 4 miles to Democrat Dam / lake. And I was like, oh, maybe there is a lake up here. But I was already almost back at the sign, and I had seen these paths here, and I wasn't sure, maybe it was just matted grass over the trail, maybe it went on, but it looks like it's just cow trails. I thought that maybe that trail, because it is very narrow, might be like a cow trail, or somebody came up with a dirt bike or something like that. But I think it's the trail now, but I'm gonna end up heading back anyway. But I'm gonna stop and eat and then go see if I can find pictures of Democrat Dam / lake. Okay, it's 10:40. I finished with my break, and it looks like I might get some rain. These clouds are pretty dark, and yeah, I might get some rain on the way back. We'll see. I'm gonna head out now. You know, the snow on the mountain is really pretty. Clouds are moving pretty fast too. So it's just after 12. I'm just about to get back. So about an hour and 20, yeah, about an hour and 20 minutes to get back. Not a very hard hike. I'd say it probably ranks maybe a difficult beginner hike. Maybe easy, intermediate, but it's not very hard. I enjoyed it. I'll probably do it again sometime, but don't know if it'll be this year or not.